Star Honest Review. My real user experience with decentralized cloud storage. Cloud storage is everywhere, but Star offers a decentralized approach that promises security, privacy, and cost savings. I tested it extensively, and here's my honest review. Most people get this wrong by thinking all cloud storage is centralized and vulnerable to hacks. The surprising truth is Star encrypts and distributes your data across a decentralized network, meaning no single server holds all your files. This increases security and privacy dramatically. Setting up was straightforward. I created an account, uploaded files, and Star automatically split and encrypted my data across multiple nodes. The web interface and desktop client are simple to use, letting you manage, share, and download files effortlessly. Performance is solid. Upload and download speeds were competitive with traditional cloud providers, and pricing is pay-as-you-go, often cheaper than in-stream options for large storage needs. Star also offers compatible APIs, making it easy for developers to integrate into existing workflows. The downside? Decentralization can mean slightly slower retrieval for very large files, and support is primarily online. It may not be ideal if you need instant enterprise-level response times. In conclusion, Star is a secure, private, and cost-effective alternative to traditional cloud storage. If you value decentralization, encryption, and flexibility, Star delivers a unique and powerful solution for personal and business data storage.